how to buy your first game on Steam step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Steam application, or you can get into your browser, right? So after getting into it here, you can either sign into your account or you can create your account if you do not have one. So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply search for our exact game you want to buy. So if you simply scroll down from your store here, you will be able to browse through all of these options and select the exact game you want, right? But in here, if you want a specific game and you're not being able to find in here, what you can do is click on the search icon right here. Now you'll be able to search for the exact game that you are looking for, just like this. And then from here, if you want to buy it, all you need to do is, first of all, obviously enter your birth of date in order to verify. If you haven't yet, then after doing that, since this is a 18 plus game, you would need to verify your age. So after doing that, here you'll be able to get the option of add to cart, right? So after adding it to your cart, you can now then simply get into your account. Click on account details right here. You'll be able to see all of your account details. From here, you can now simply go along with the process of how you'll be able to buy yourself that particular game. So yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.